So guys, what do you want to do today? Oh no, dude, we should probably watch TV. Yeah, there's something probably going on out there. Yeah, we probably should. Yeah, we probably should. Where did you even come from? The door? Oh. Well, I'm gonna turn on the TV. Breaking news, guy. There is a really big snowstorm right outside. I'm gonna show you right now, and yeah. It's bad! It's pretty snowy out here. We got some places to be. If you have somewhere to go, please do not go. Because it is too snowy to be in. It's also slippery. It's also fun. That's the third time. Get back inside. I want to go home. I want to go home. Whoa, a snowstorm. We should go outside. But why would we want to go outside during a blizzard? Because we have to go outside for a blizzard. We can make snowmen. We can make snow angels. We can fall down the stairs. Yeah, we can do that too. Yep. And we can make snow shells. Ooh, and snow igloos, dude. Yeah, we should definitely go outside. Okay, fine, but don't come to me when we have frostbite. Okay, I did the deed. I told him about the snowstorm.
Are you going outside?
I saw them go outside.
Good. Well, Otis, I need you to go outside and make sure you don't get my design.
Alright. News, okay? Don't be doing what they're doing. If you go outside during a blizzard, you may get a cold or frostbite. Don't stay out there long enough, and don't go outside during a blizzard. Blizzards are dangerous. Whoa, so cold! I can't believe it. It's so cold out here, dude. Yeah, we can make snow angels now. Yeah. Gosh, this is a really bad idea. Especially with me. I'm fire type. I can't stay out here. I thought ice types were weak to that kind of job. Yeah, but this is a bad idea. You're never getting back inside. What do you mean we're not getting back inside? We're gonna go back inside in about 5 seconds. Because the van's gonna change course. Oh no, you're not, because I locked the door. You didn't let me leave. I didn't, because you're staying here. Oh no, what will we do? We gotta get back inside. We're all gonna get frostbite, dude. Joseph, I'm pretty sure that's not a good thing. I don't care, dude. We're gonna get frostbite, dude. Yeah, we're gonna get frostbite. Let's get back inside. We can just burn through the door. Cody, why did you talk us into doing this? What, me? You're the one who talked me into doing that. You're the one who talked me into it. No, you're the one who You're the one who talked us into coming outside. Yeah, it was definitely Cody. Yeah, it was Cody. Yeah, it was Cody, dude. It wasn't me. I swear to you. Well, just call a doctor. Did someone call a doctor? Yes, we called a doctor. We all went outside during this blizzard. Ouch. I'm probably assuming you'll have frostbite now since you're all outside during the blizzard. That thing can really get you. So, I would suggest not leaving this room and not leaving this house. And have your personal chef cook yourself. Alright. Goodman, and then. breaking news, okay? You, the viewer, have to subscribe right now, or I'm gonna shove Junior into the snow so hard, he's gonna die in it. Boss, they made back inside. Yeah, they made back inside. I am so mad they didn't pay for their house payment either.
What? They got back inside? You two are useless. Useless. You're useless too, but I'm not gonna punch you. I'm gonna kick you. I'm my best next best sword.
Me?
No, not you, Venus, where you suck. Lavator.